Ground handling is one of the most dynamic and time-critical environments in aviation. Today, most service companies manage this chaotic operation using Excel spreadsheets and experience burnout due to last-minute changes, endless spreadsheets versions, constant update requests, and unmonitored operational process. And they are strongly dependent to the people who can manage this chaos. I am Pınar Gültekin, Product Manager at TAV Technologies. We built Ground Handling Suite as a complete digital ecosystem that helps companies to manage their mobile resources, employees, and equipment across long-term strategic, mid-term tactical, and day-to-day operational horizons. A fully integrated end-to-end technology platform designed specifically for the complex world of airport ground handling operations. TAV Ground Handling Suite is made up of 5 powerful modules that work seamlessly together in order to provide an end-to-end digital solution. Flight management, capacity planning, rostering, real-time and commercial management. Today, our ground handling suite is managing one of the largest airports in Europe, serving up to 1,500 flights each day. We would be delighted to show you how our suite can support your operation today and in the future.